We do have the potential for quite a few showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, and any thunderstorm that develops could be strong. Here's Indiantown with a little bit of rainfall moving over toward the coast here. It's going to move over I-95 and the Turnpike here, and watch what happens as we move through the next few hours. Just past your lunch hour, the potential for quite a few strong thunderstorms to develop and push over toward the coast. Here's 3:30 this afternoon, and even if things start to settle down a bit during the evening rush, the roads could still be pretty slick from earlier rainfall. So we could have a busy afternoon on our hands here. And of course, we'll stay here and update you on the air and online. We'll run crawls across the bottom of the screen, check out social media, and we'll be sure to keep you up to speed. Let's take it out to the tropics quickly here. We've got Tropical Storm Carl and a tropical wave moving off the coast of Africa. That tropical wave, an 80% chance for development, but it's just going to kind of move right up this direction here and disappear into the North Atlantic. So nothing to be concerned about there. The latest on Carl, well, computer models in pretty good agreement. It's going to move to the west, northwest, and eventually turn up to the north toward Bermuda. And that's the latest track from the National Hurricane Center, and that shows it right there. That big turn up to the north, probably strengthening into a Category 1 or Category 2 storm as it turns up to the north. For right now, it looks like it will stay pretty well east of the Bahamas and South Florida. But anytime anything gets into this area here, relatively close to the Bahamas, we're going to keep our eyes on it until we're sure that we're cleared of it. And folks in Bermuda are going to watch this very carefully, of course. Afternoon thunderstorms for boaters, seas about 2 feet, and tide on the way out right now, so low tide coming up right around 5 o'clock this afternoon. High temperatures today, low 90s. We're pretty close to that now, and it feels hotter than that with the humidity. Chance for rain 70% this afternoon. 60% tomorrow, 50% Wednesday, the first day of fall Thursday, 30%. More moisture moves back in as we head toward the weekend.